Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how a Bluetooth speaker is made, from raw materials to the powerful sound device you use every day.
Every great speaker starts with precise design. Engineers create detailed 3D models to ensure perfect.
This is the brain of the speaker, the circuit board. Advanced robotic systems plate Bluetooth chips, processors, and power modules with microscopic precision.
Next comes the heart of the sound, the speaker driver. Powerful magnets and precision wound coils create rich audio.
To ensure durability, protective seals and mesh grills are added. Every piece fits perfectly to create a compact, rugged design.
Each speaker undergoes strict quality checks, sound clarity, bass performance.
Finally, the finished speakers are packaged and prepared for shipping to stores around the world.
And that's how a Bluetooth speaker is made. From precision engineering to powerful sound, widely, all crafted right here.